Hello everyone, welcome to this very quick introduction to Swift programming language. I'm going to show you three cool features that I think um, why Swift is cool comparing to its ancestor C and Objective-C. So let's get started. The first thing I want to introduce is that the types and variables. So one quick way to declare a variable is that you type var and you name the variable you want to declare and you give its value, right? It's very simple, just like C, just like Java, most programming language. And then there's let. Var means it's variable, let means it's a constant. We can say let string another string equal to hello computer science 372 fall 2016. And note that a constant can be changed, or a constant's value can be assigned once. And here comes the first interesting cool feature about Swift is that the type can be inferred and explicited. Let's see here. So we're going to declare a to be a constant of holding a value of 10, and we're going to find out what its type is by type print string a dot dynamic type, and it's going to tell me its type is integer. And when I declare another variable be equal to 10.0, let's say, and it's going to say another thing. As you might be guessing, its type would be a double or a float. Well, in this case, it's float because it's by default. And see here, it's a double. And if you want to declare another one, and you want, let's say you want it not to be double, you want it to be float, what do? You type this semicolon, or this comma, or I don't know what that is, but here it is. You type that and then float, and it's gonna tell you, well, it's gonna specify the type of C to be a float. And you can do such things. I'm sorry. Okay, the next thing here is an optional value. Let's see here. A value is optional. How does it work? So we're gonna declare thing to be address, and we're gonna print what address. And sometimes you want to say some variant when you want to, and when you want to specify how nice that dress is. What you can say is that what is a nice dress, right? And what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna delete this first, and then I'm gonna specify the type of it, and I'm gonna say nothing about it. And you can see here, it's still gonna be what address, but that's because this variant is not or no. There's nothing in my mind for this moment, and maybe when I'm in a good mood, I want to say it's a very nice dress. Okay, so here we go. What a very nice dress. See, Swift will automatically provoke a variant first if variant has something in it. If not, it's gonna find that basic or default value. But note this, what if both of them is nil? It's a nil. And you can add two double quotes in that same variable. What address? Or arbitrary number of double quotes, I guess. The third feature is its switch control flow. Let's say someone has a grade of 90, which is pretty good, right? And I'm going to say, for the case when it's exactly 90%, it's excellent. But what if it's 91? It's better than excellent, right? I'm not gonna say case 91 to be excellent either. Instead, what I can do here is that I'm gonna assign 91 to a variable x, and I'm gonna ask if x greater or I'm gonna ask if x is greater than 90. Okay, what we get here? We can get better than excellent. See, the thing here is that we don't have to specify each case or the each case in any case. We can also implement conditional branch here to better evaluate what the situation is, which is a very, very helpful syntactic sugar in Swift programming language. And when the grade is 50, it's good. Well, it's not really good, but it's a default value. And note that in Swift, default is required. And there's that 3 cool features about Swift programming language. Thank you for watching.